And today we're going to be making a birdhouse with like a bed in it because we broke a bird's nest and we named it Burrito. And we feel really bad for him, so now we're just building a bird's nest. And we already cut this a little, and so we're just going to finish cutting it and then we're going to build it.
We're going to build it, we're going to show you the whole thing. Well, if it takes too long,
also guys, Reese almost cut his finger off. No, I didn't.
Yeah, Reese hurt his finger really bad then. That's all.
I didn't hurt my finger. It barely even hurt. It was just a small sliver.
Reese, should we show him how much we already got done? Like, Reese.
Yeah, I'll turn it.
Reese,
Oh, yeah.
get your foot off. Get your foot off.
This is how much we've got done already.
And I've done it. Reese did like a little tiny sliver.
Reese did like a centimeter.
I did this top little part, if you can see that. It's like a square, but then Lucas did the rest.
Yeah, Lucas is way better than Reese is, though.
Plus, Reese
And also, Ben is also here with us.
Yeah. It takes a long time.
Yeah, it's taking a long time to cut this.
So we might speed up the video a little bit.
No, it'll be fine.
But guys, it might take just a minute.
So just stay tuned.
Stay tuned because we'll show you when we only have like a kilometer left.
Kilometer is a lot.
Yeah, a kilometer is a
Kilometer
lot.
is bigger than that thing. When we have like a centimeter left.
A kilometer is bigger than my house.
Okay, then.
Oh my gosh.
Reese, what
Well,
are those little like lines between centimeters?
So smart for a second grader.
Shut up.
By the way, if you want to know what his grades are,
Me and Ben are in third and he's in second.
And I'm doing the saw, and both of them are afraid. And they're in third grade. I'm in second grade, and I'm using the saw.
Reese almost got his finger.
No, I didn't. It's just a small sliver.
Because they two are dumb.
It's just a small sliver.
You asked to do it anyways. Guys, we're about done.
Yeah, we're about done. You see that? There's just like a small little part left.
Chainsaw. Saw Lucas. I'm having a saw time. I'm Saw Lucas.
Isn't that cut already?
Should I see
No, there's still just a little left.
on this side? It's
Just cut that rest.
The football.
Go get my football pen!
Get the football.
Later, should we play
And by
football?
the way, we're in my garage.
Yeah.
We usually make videos at my house for some odd reason.
Or like your Reese's house or my house,
Yeah.
usually.
It's normally at my house or Ben's house.
Or at my house.
Yeah.
'Cause we make-
We've only done it at your house like twice. Shouldn't that be done already? No, there's just a small little sliver
Reese,
left.
get your foot off because I can snap the rest.
Just snap it.
That was easy.
There. And it snapped off.
Okay, let me just.
Football.
I'm gonna like cut this so it doesn't give a paper cut.
Also, guys,
Splinter.
out of the three of us, we have 3 dogs. And you might think, like, Reese has 1 dog, I have 1 dog, and he has 1 dog. But actually, I have more dogs.
Yeah, Ben has 2 dogs and Lucas has 1. I have 0 dogs. And I want a dog so bad.
The other day.
You should see his face right now.
Please like this video if you want me to get a dog.
And guys,
It'll
the
help
other day,
that
the other day I
much.
If my parents see that I have a lot of subscribers and likes, then they'll probably let me get a dog. So please like and subscribe.
look at that like button.
Yeah, look that like button with your long tongue, if you even know what I mean. Not everyone has a long tongue, but okay.
Do it with your tongue.
Yeah, just lick that like button.
Lick it, lick it, lick it.
You don't need to make a song.
When I was in second grade, I always made a song.
Guys, so what we're gonna do is
Remember, Reese?
guys, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna speed up this and we're gonna cut and we're gonna speed up the video.
We're probably just gonna cut this part out. Or
We're probably just gonna trim some part so it doesn't take forever because I have to start all over on this and that and that and then we're got to use some nails or
Yeah.
some super glue.
Saw it, yeah, saw it,
Thank
saw
you,
it,
turn to
yeah,
saw.
yeah.
What? It's your turn.
You got
I'm
to
not
saw. Just guys, here, guys, just look at. Ben,
I'll
stand
hold it
still.
down, I'll hold it down.
Ben, stand still. Just look at that shirt. Look at that shirt.
There's only one thing it's missing.
A mustache. Yeah, it needs a mustache.
I'm too fabulous to have a saw in my hand.
Yeah.
Reese, will you please put your foot on here for me?
Okay.
Reese, put the camera on me.
Put your foot on there. Babe. A little bit closer, like right here. Like right here. That's what you need to put your foot.
What?
Right.
But you're gonna cut my foot off. No.
I'm right here. That's a
Oh, right there. Oh, okay.
Reese, look. This is the most balanced.
Oh wow.
See, I'm doing so good.
Yeah, you're doing so good, Ben. You're doing so good.
Oh. Ow.
Look how good we're doing, Reese. Look at this.
Finally, we're at the park now. Luigi, what do you want to do first?
Ben, stop distracting me! I say, oh, what do you want to do?
Stop it. We need Lucas to get this passed so we can just continue on with the video. Even though the video's still going and you guys are all hearing this.
Oopsie, poopsie.
Lucas, what's your favorite color?
Gold.
It's not a color.
Yeah.
A color of the rainbow.
Gold is a color.
I know.
Fine, blue.
These are a mixture of the colors of the rainbow. Favorite colors of Reese and Lucas.
What's cool? Here, show them that. I made that by
Nice
myself.
pecan, Ben.
I made that by myself.
Nice baton, Reese.
I made that by myself.
It's a nice baton, Reese.
I made that all by myself. That's really loud.
Wait, Reese, we forgot to show your dad that we cut it already. Let's go show him. Okay,
Oh,
guys,
okay.
we're just gonna trim this. Reese, guys, we're gonna trim a lot of stuff.
Dad, come look at what we've done so far.
I cut off this piece.
Nice.
And I'm cut off this piece now.
Good job, guys.
Yeah. Reese trying to be safe after what he already did to himself.
Reese, did you hear that? I did it for a long time.
Yeah, I heard that. Okay, so back to cutting.
Man, stop! You're making a lot of noise.
We've cut that part already now. Just need to finish cutting that.
I'm on my jackhammer.
What are you trying to do? Are you trying to cut off your finger?
Okay, guys, we have a boy in the jackhammer right now. We have our friend Ben's on a jackhammer right
That's
now.
not a jackhammer, that's a pogo stick.
I know, but I use a like a jackhammer.
It's a jackhammer.
What was that sound?
He's pretending it's a jackhammer. Lucas, you're gonna kill yourself. You're going too fast. Well, yeah, we need to go fast to get on with the video.
I know, but I'm ready.
Just, Lucas, here.
Reese, we're gonna go fast so we don't have to do this all night long. You want to waste our whole day just doing this? Are you done?
No.
I'm gonna ask my dad if he
Just
can use power tools.
No, we don't need to use power tools.
Power tools are the best. use blocks.
Ba-dum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum.
Reese, are these blocks?
What?
These are wood.
Yeah.
This is wood.
Reese, you wanna cut some?
What?
You wanna cut some? My arm's getting really tired.
No.
Can we take a break?
Reese, you can cut.
I don't want to.
Well, you can't just make him do it.
I don't want to cut though.
We should take a break.
Guys, so Reese, why don't you end the video so we can make another one? So we can go have a snack.
So this is our part 1, and then like and subscribe for part 2. Bye.